Hello guys, it's Chidima here and you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a short and easy tutorial on how to do puff with bangs on your natural hair. Because this hairstyle is uncommon in 4C hair, it has a way of making you stand out. I'm sure going to turn next wearing this hairstyle, trust me guys. Now let's dive into the tutorial. I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, and you actually need to deep condition before trying this hairstyle. The first thing is to section out the portion of your hair where you want the bangs to be and secure it with a hair clip. So I'm just using this comb to stretch my hair a bit and gain some length. This will make it easier to put my hair in a puff. Next, I'm applying Eco Styling Gel to smoothen the edges of my hair. This step is not compulsory, but if you're going for a complete slay, you just have to. Now I'm using a piece of material to put my hair in a puff. You can also use a shoelace to do this. Now I'm using a hairbrush to smoothen the edges of my hair. For the bangs, I'm generously applying Eco Styling Gel to my hair, making sure to saturate my hair with the gel. Now guys, this is where the magic happens. As funny as it may look or as funny as it sounds, immediately you shake your hair vigorously, the coils will start to appear in the bang. The more you shake your hair, the more coils you get. There are probably other ways to do this, but this works perfectly. As you guys can see, my hair looks whitish from the gel, but it dries clear, so I'm going to do my makeup while it dries. So this is the finished look guys. This hair is so beautiful. I encourage you to try it and please tag me when you do. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.